Yeah, I watch from YouTube and read a lot. A beauty guru said that if it's the real one, the letter right naked palette to Urban Decay should be slightly gold, and the inside, the mirror, uh, when you look into the mirror, it should not be dizzy. The fake one I have, it dizzy when you look at it. So they said it not made from good quality mirror. I don't know. Yeah, and the spot right here. If the right, I mean the real one should have two spots, but this one have three. And another notch that I can see from this one, the letter right on the name of each color should be the center, but half baked it a bit on it a bit go to the right hand, so it's not in the center, so I'm doubt this one is the fake one. And when I opened it first time, this color, the white decay, it's a bit split out like that, so it should not be like that, right? If it's the real one. And a little thing, I have a fake one, the blackout. This one is lighter than the fake one, so I doubt this one is not real. And the big things I made me think this one is very fake, because the brush. I read and I watched. They said that the blending brush this side should be on the left, but this one did opposite. The blending brush on the right and the eyeshadow, like this, is on the left. So this made me very wonder this one is real or not. And a little things on the Urban Decay Naked 2 print on the brush. The top of the end is missing, so if it's the real one, it should not be disappear like that, right? So, but as for the eyeshadow, it's not different. The colors, very similar. Urban Decay is well known about the pigment, the day pigment, the shadow pigment is very strong, but this one is not impressed me that much. It's not that strong. I have to apply many times until I get the pigment I want. So I doubt this one is not real. And the fake one, I'll show you. Very similar. So the brush too made me think of the one my husband got me is not real one. Yeah. So anyone know that, please let me know this one is fake or not, but I think it's 90% this one fake. Yeah, let's see.